Bad Dürkheim liegt in der Pfalz. Das ist das mitgrößte Weinbauangebiet Deutschlands. Und das war der auslösende Punkt für diesen Schritt in den Etikettensektor. Unsere Kunden, die Etiketten wollen, die haben einen sehr hohen Qualitätsanspruch. Wenn die Flaschen im Regal stehen, fallen sie nur auf mit speziellem Design, was raussticht. Wir haben 2 Jahre geguckt, was gibt es auf dem Markt. Und auf der Drupa, wow, da stand sie. Das war die Maschine, die genau in unser Konzept gepasst hatte. Etikettenproduktion in Kleinmengen, auf Naturpapier, ohne Lack, mit der richtigen Haptik. Die Epson SurePress erlaubt uns auch im Design eine größere Freiheit.
Man hat deutlich mehr Möglichkeiten, jetzt die Etiketten auch richtig farbenfroh. Das große Farbspektrum mit den 2 Sonderfarben, Orange und Grün, macht noch viel mehr möglich, wie es jetzt halt mit normalen 4 Farben.
Und ohne Lack, die Haptik, der Untergrund, das Papier kommt halt richtig schön zur Geltung. Ja, das passt. Genau. Wir haben viele Materialien getestet, die noch nicht freigegeben sind von Epson. Metallic-Papieren, Aluminiumpapieren. Durch diese Haptik-Naturdrucker können wir ganz andere Etiketten entwerfen und gestalten wie vorher. Wir arbeiten auch mit Epson sehr stark zusammen wegen Materialien, dass man auf dem Markt ein sehr breites Spektrum präsentieren kann.
Und hier sieht man schön die Unterschiede zwischen einem Etikett mit Lack und eins von Epson SurePress. Die Brillanz vom Papier ist größer wie hier, es wirkt sehr matt und das Schwarz kommt viel brillanter raus bei der Epson.
Papierwechsel ist sehr einfach. Der braucht ca. 5 Minuten. Die Zeit, um als Operator zu arbeiten, war sehr gering. 2 bis 3 Tage wurden wir geschult. Die Bedienung der Maschine ist sehr, sehr einfach.
Wir können drucken. Da Epson Robotertechnik kommt, ist die Abstimmung, die aufeinanderfolgenden Etikettenreihenfolge sehr passgenau. Das ist ein wahnsinniger Vorteil wieder, diese Technologie in dieser Maschine zu nutzen. Die Qualitätsprüfung, wie gut wie der Druck hält. Das ist wichtig, damit die Weinflaschen beim Transport im Karton, wenn sie aneinander reiben, nicht das Etikett kaputt machen.
Die Druckgenauigkeit von Druckprodukten, die vor Wochen oder Monaten produziert worden ist, zu der jetzigen Produktion hat man eine fast 100%ige Farbgenauigkeit. Kommt öfters vor, weil Weinetiketten vom Design bleiben, nur gewisse Daten sich ändern.
Wunderbar. Testen wir gleich.
Ja. Was wir der Konkurrenz voraus haben, ist, wir haben eine Epson SurePress. Wir standen bei der Konkurrenz auf der Drupa und der Verkäufer wollte uns seine Maschine verkaufen. Und wir haben uns entschieden für die Epson SurePress. Und dann hat er gesagt, es ist eine sehr gute Wahl. Es wäre die beste Maschine im Moment auf dem Markt.
I decided to start my business about 6 years ago, and basically I wanted to be my own boss. I wanted to be creative and have some flexibility for myself and my children. Grace Imaging has helped me promote my brand by all their different choices of labels and suggestions with labels. Every time a new flavor is made available, Grace Imaging takes the initial design and puts personality and creativity into it. With the cake and the piggy and all these different flavors that are kind of crazy, they really add character and personality, I think.
At Grace Imaging, we decided to go with the highest print quality available in the industry. We brought in technology with our 7-color printing that not only has the highest DPI print quality, but also can meet any of the colors out there in the industry.
Every Christmas I am in a jam with supply of everything. And so a lot of times when I run low on labels, I panic and I call Bob and Grace Imaging. They are more than accommodating to get it finished no matter how much they have going on in their own business.
We do not believe in grouping and batching orders. We believe it's best to just get them quickly shipped. It actually costs us less money the faster we ship the orders. So our customers really benefit by these lean processes, and not only in having a low-cost provider, but a fast provider too.
Best Label is a prime label manufacturer geared mainly towards high-quality, four-color process photographic type reproduction labels. We've been in business for over 30 years.
We sell and support a lot of different markets. Food and beverage is one of our big ones, health and beauty, pharmaceutical industry, nutraceutical, and what we make is what's called a pressure-sensitive label, and that's a label that has a substrate, an adhesive, and a liner. What we always like to say is as long as it can run through our presses, we'll give it a shot.
The Epson SurePress 6034 is truly a piece of equipment that is plug and play. You're able to bring that into your facility. You're able to migrate the work that fits that application very simply, and then ultimately produce a short-run label product that is of extremely high quality in an extremely efficient and timely manner.
From an ease of use compared to a conventional printer, if you know how to run a computer, well, you'll figure out how to print on the Epson. You know, we get the artwork, we put it in the computer, we send it to the Epson, and then we start production right away. And compared that to the conventional printing, I mean, in terms of time savings, it's dramatic. The time that it takes to overcome a learning curve on how to operate a printing press is also drastically reduced. I mean, I started 4 months ago, and took me maybe, a week, couple weeks. I think that dramatically reduces also the training time of getting somebody up to speed on running a press.
You know what I tell people when I give them a tour in this department? You know the desktop printers that you have on your desk? It's just a big one. That's how easy it is to, change inks.
For me, the biggest highlights are the fact that there's no printing plates. The press itself does a great job of printing on multiple different substrates, which is a game changer for us. With the digital press, you can print on regular papers, you can print on matte litho, estate stocks, felt papers, metallized papers, both paper and metallized films, and you're able to use opaque white on the clear and on the silver. All those things together just make it a great appeal for us and for our customers.
Most other digital, if not all other digital solutions in the marketplace require a top coating of these materials. With the Epson, you don't need that. There is no primer, there is no top coat, there's no additional expense of coating the material or prepping the material. Is a phenomenal advantage because you just don't have that associated cost.
It's automated to the point where it tells you if there's an error, if you run into any issues while it's printing, does auto cleans on its own. So it's a lot of hands-off as well in terms of maintenance that we don't have to do physically ourselves. Because of the partnership we have with Epson, any issues that we run into, Epson is here within hours. They help us through troubleshooting. They work around our production schedule so that we don't get impacted. It's the whole experience just makes it so much more smooth. Epson is very quick in terms of reaction time. Oftentimes the parts that we need for replacement get in before the technicians do. Moving digital, it's a must for the label printing industry. So I think there's going to be a big need for label companies to have this digital capability.
They control the variables completely through manufacturing. They make their own inkjet heads. They manufacture not only the hardware that you see in the printer itself, but all the software that drives that. And then thirdly, they manufacture the UV LED inks that are actually used in the printing process. Epson truly owns the entire manufacturing process.
We had run out of Whiskey Tango Foxtrot labels, and we had a big release the next day. We had about 500 bottles that we needed to be sure to sell to 500 people that were showing up here the next day. So through introduction, we were introduced to Grace Imaging, and it was about 10 o'clock on a Friday. And by 4 o'clock that afternoon, we had our labels. We had our top labels, which is our closure label, which is legally required for us to have. We can't sell it without this important long strip right here, and our main label. And it was start to finish, 6, maybe 7 hours for us to go from a phone call saying, hi, this is who I am, to picking up labels.
Being a digital label printer, the word digital means more than just how the ink is applied to the paper. Here at Grace Imaging, we have a culture of digital, which means everything we do is fast. How we price our customers, how we produce our product, how fast we ship the product, how fast we follow up with our customers.
We had a significant problem in identifying stock, what paper to use for the labels. Grace immediately knew kind of what we were going for and was able to recommend specific stocks that I think really achieved the looks we were going for. The Whiskey Tango Foxtrot has a specific feel to the label, but it was really the stock that Grace chose for us for the Mommy Moonshine label, and the idea of actually printing it on craft paper and letting us know that was a stock that they stocked, that was just available. It wasn't a special thing, so we could turn that around quickly. I think that really spoke really well to their capabilities as far as understanding more than just what needed to get printed, but really understanding kind of the brand and the identity that we were going for with that particular product.
Snugs is located in Salt Lake City, Utah. We have over 300 full-time employees. We have 2 divisions. We have lanyards and we have our personal care item. Snugs USA really cares about their employees, and we feel that caring about our employees makes it a better place to work, and it lets us offer better products to our customers. We do work for all sorts of companies, anything from a Fortune 500 company down to a dentist in the middle of Nebraska. You would see Snugs product pretty much anywhere. Healthcare, company handouts, trade shows, it's always going to have the customer's logo on it. Another reason that Snugs customers choose us is because of our quick turn coupled with quality. Part of Snugs' mission is to give the best quality to our customers that we can, so we are always striving to do that, and when we heard that the SurePress would be able to offer us that better quality, we were very interested. When Snugs took the delivery of our first SurePress, we were able to get it in the building and get it set up within just a couple days, and we were seeing better quality by the end of that week. One of the features that we love about the SurePress is its repeatability. It allows us to take a job that we printed a year ago and print it today, and it will look exactly as it did a year ago. In the past, we had issues getting fine detail, especially in small text. The SurePress has allowed us to print small text and be able to have it legible and amazing for the customer. In addition to the short runs that we do, the width of the SurePress allows us to run higher quantities easily. The SurePress has also given us the option of being able to print a wider range of PMS colors than we could before, as that's something that our customers ask for. Safety is very important to Snugs. One of the reasons that we love the SurePress is because it uses water-based inks, which are safer to work with and safer for the environment. What all this means to Snugs is that we can take the colors that our customers are asking for, specific to their logos, and we can nail them with ease.
The ink with these Epson printers are really amazing. Our customers are always talking about how the color just really pops. With these SurePress printers, we're able to print white ink, which our previous printers couldn't do. So we were able to add in a whole new line of products here at Snugs that print the white ink on the labels so we can offer more to our customers. The 3 things I like most about the SurePress printers, 1 is the quality. We can print amazing detail compared to the previous printers we've had. Number 2 is the reliability, knowing that we can throw on a job and it will just print correctly. And number 3 is the ability to batch jobs, so we can throw in a group of jobs, and while that's printing, we can work on the next group. Maintenance is relatively easy on these Epson printers. Every couple of hours, you just run a nozzle check and the quality still stays looking great, whereas other printers, you have to shut down for a full hour to do maintenance. Here at Snugs, we have a quick 24-hour turnaround time. Using Wasatch and the Epson SurePress takes all the worry out of meeting our deadline.
We run production 24 hours a day. Tech support is extremely important to us to keep our production running. Epson has proven that their tech support is world-class. The Epson SurePress is a true prime label quality press. This has allowed us to be able to print retail quality labels for our customers. Something that is very important to Snugs is our relationships with our suppliers. The SurePress has given us not only great quality and repeatability, but it has given us a growing relationship with Epson that we truly value. To Snug's customers, their logo is the essence of who they are. The SurePress allows us to deliver amazing quality, which is what they demand.
La société AP Mézières fabrique des étiquettes adhésives de la toute petite à la très très grande série. J'ai commencé chez AP Mézières en 1994. J'ai pu racheter cette société donc en 2004. J'ai développé tout un réseau de revendeurs sur toute la France qui me rapportent des commandes d'étiquettes. La plus grande spécialité, c'est de ne pas en avoir. La société travaillait en traditionnel avec des machines typo UV semi-rotatives et de la flexo à l'eau. Nous faisions déjà de la toute petite à la très très grande série. Nous avions du mal à aller sur la vraiment toute petite série. Donc c'est pourquoi nous avons acheté la SurePress chez Epson. Aujourd'hui, nous réalisons à peu près 500 productions par mois dans l'atelier, dont 250 à 300 sur la SurePress. Nous travaillons aussi bien des étiquettes pour les fleuristes que des étiquettes pour le vin, pour des grandes marques. Dès lors qu'il y a des couleurs, des photos, que le travail à imprimer est un travail relativement fin, nous sélectionnons la SurePress. La finesse de travail de cette machine est impressionnante. La machine tourne de 6h à 20h tous les jours, sans interruption. Elle est vraiment très facile à travailler. Il n'y a pas besoin d'être ingénieur pour savoir la faire tourner. Les grands avantages de cette machine, c'est de pouvoir travailler même un petit peu à distance. Je vais en avoir besoin de 6000 de chaque. Il n'y a pas du tout de temps de calage ni de préparation des encres. Donc à partir du moment que le travail est ripé dans la machine, il suffit d'appuyer sur le bouton et la machine fonctionne. Aujourd'hui, nous travaillons aussi bien les papiers que les synthétiques, les matières également difficiles. Le grand avantage de la SurePress d'Epson est justement que nous pouvons travailler exactement avec le même stock. Nous gagnons énormément en productivité et efficacité. J'ai cherché justement une machine qui avait une très très haute qualité d'impression. La SurePress se rapprochait énormément de l'impression offset. Nous acceptons quasiment 100% des dossiers qui nous sont confiés.
L'ajout de l'orange et du vert donc sur l'Epson avec la quadrille traditionnelle, ça ouvre justement le nombre de couleurs disponibles. Les couleurs sont beaucoup plus vives, la manière de travailler les couleurs est beaucoup plus simple et on peut faire des changements rapides de couleurs.
Et effectivement, par rapport à nos quelques concurrents, nous avons marqué un grand avantage. Aujourd'hui, nos clients apportent des commandes sans se soucier de la qualité du rendu, puisqu'ils savent qu'avec notre presse numérique, la qualité sera exceptionnelle, voire qualité photo. J'ai toujours pensé que l'évolution du numérique se ferait par le jet d'encre. Nous gagnons tout ce qui est temps de calage et préparation des encres. Un exemple, pour une petite série de 2000 étiquettes en diamètre 40, on va mettre quelques minutes sur la SurePress, alors qu'on va approcher les 3/4 d'heure sur une machine traditionnelle. La maintenance sur la SurePress est relativement légère, c'est quelques minutes tous les jours, une bonne heure par semaine. Il y a également une maintenance qui est faite par les agents de chez Epson, qui viennent relativement vite au moindre problème. C'était un investissement lourd mais nécessaire, puisqu'elle nous a apporté aujourd'hui à peu près 15 à 20% de chiffre d'affaires en plus depuis qu'elle tourne. L'étiquette est devenue vraiment un produit marketing et plus uniquement un bout de papier adhésif. Donc il fallait que la qualité évolue et il fallait absolument que l'entreprise fasse ce cheminement-là. Il est grandement envisagé d'investir rapidement dans une seconde SurePress.